Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Pike Creek local and long distance movers near me. Your destination may be hundreds of miles away, but that isn't a problem for any of our clients. When you partner with us, you can be confident that your possessions will be secure for the long trip once we keep them in our safe packing vans. We carefully place your items in boxes to keep them from damage or breakage. We will pack up our trucks with your things and transport them to your new location for you. We have strong relationships with the state and federal authorities in charge of long-distance relocation. Aside from this perk, we also provide insurance policies that safeguard our clients during and after the move. We put high regard on the safety of our clients and their belongings. In other words, you don't have to worry about the security of your belongings while they're in our care. With our local movers in charge of your move, you do not have to worry about being exhausted. We help you pack and transport your belongings in one piece. We can help you make your local move as easy as possible. Moving day will be done in a matter of hours with our movers since we pack and unpack you on the same day. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Pike Creek moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.